Hello friends, in this video lecture we will be discussing MCQs based on Clat LLM 2021 paper. Okay, so Clat LLM 2021 which held recently. So these are MCQs of that paper. So MCQ number first, which of the following judgment relates to euthanasia? So the right answer over here is option A, common cause versus Union of India. So in this case it was held that right to life under article 21 also includes right to die with dignity. So somewhat uh, it gave the way for passive euthanasia. Okay, it allowed passive euthanasia by way of removal of life supporting system if a person is at vegetative state. Okay, and it also held that it is a fundamental right, that right to life under article 21 also include right to die with dignity. Okay, and in this case it also held that living, it gave legitimacy to living wills. Okay, living wills, under living wills a person can declare that if he ever is placed on ventilator, or he is at a vegetative state, then uh, then he should not be allowed to live. Okay, MCQ number second, which of the following is not correct? यहाँ पे देखिए वर्ड है not correct regarding an advance medical directive. यही living will is advance medical directive in which a person in advance can declare that what medical direction will he take if he is at some very major disease. Okay, like like vegetative state. Okay, etc. Or if he's on ventilators. Okay, so the right answer over here is, which of the following is not correct? So the right answer over here will be option D. Right of execution by an individual depends on recognition or legislation by a state. So this option is wrong. It does not depend on the legislation by a state. So a living will or an advance medical directive does not depend on the legislation or recognition by a state, because Supreme Court has given very strict guidelines regarding advance medical directive. MCQ number थर्ड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट, इज नॉट करेक्ट. तो ये सारे में नॉट है, तो इसमें नॉट वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ध्यान रखना, बहुत बार जल्दी में वी फॉरगेट टू रीड नॉट. ओके, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट correct as per Supreme Court judgment in Gyan Kumar versus State of Punjab. Okay, so the right answer over here is option D, that right to life includes right to die. This was not held in this case. In this case, it was held that right to life does not include right to die. Okay, so somewhat it eliminated the way for euthanasia. It clearly held that right to life does not include right to die. Okay, so this statement option D will be incorrect. Okay, because this was not held in Gyan Kumar case. So if we see that how it all the controversy started, it started with P Rathinam case. Rathinam case, okay, in which it was held that right to life includes right to die also. Okay, so somewhat it gave the way for euthanasia, and then came the Gyan Kumar case. Gyan Kumar case, in which it was held that right to life does not include right to die. Okay, and then came Aruna case, in which it was held that right to life includes right to die. Okay, right to life includes right to die with dignity. So this case is also called the common cause case, which we discussed in MCQ number first. So MCQ number 4, which of the following was not held by the Supreme Court of India? Okay, so the right answer over here will be option C. An adult human being having mental capacity to take an informed decision has no right to refuse medical treatment, including withdrawal from life saving devices. So he has right to refuse also. Okay, now MCQ number 5th, which of the following judgment does not relate to constitutionality of right to die? Okay, so the right answer over here will be option B. Okay, so in this case what really happened was, this case was regarding the sexual harassment in the army school, in the principal of army school that they didn't constituted a sexual harassment committee which is mandated to constitute. Okay, rest all other cases are related to the constitutionality of right to die. Aruna Ramchandra Shanbok case, which also led to the common cause case versus Union of India 2018. Okay, then this P. Ratinam case, in the very beginning, it held that right to life includes right to die with dignity, and even this case is also related to euthanasia. But D.S. Grewal versus Vimi Joshi, that is not related with euthanasia. Okay, so the right answer is option B. Which MCQ number 6, which of the following is not correct? Is not correct regarding passive euthanasia as per judicial precedents in India. Okay, so पैसिव यूथनेशिया के लिए ये राइट नहीं है, सो इट इज लीगली परमिसेबल इन इंडिया, तो ये तो राइट है. इट इज लीगली नॉट permissible in India, this statement is incorrect. Okay, so right answer will be option B. Okay, so this was all regarding the MCQs for the paper of Clat LLM 2021. If you want to see other MCQs relating to Clat paper of 2021 and 2020, then you can watch the playlist of Clat LLM MCQs. Okay, in that playlist, all the MCQs of 2021 paper and 2020 paper has been given. So thank you all. Please do watch the playlist and subscribe the channel.